Was still around to see Lori die, do you think he would have reacted?
If Lori died.
Yeah, how would you react?
Yeah, shit, man. Yeah.
It wouldn't have happened because he would have taken out the governor.
Yeah. Yeah, it would have. Yeah, no, that would. Yeah. No, I mean that crushed me just watching that. You know.
Do you like how she died in the series versus how she died in the comics?
I thought that. I thought she was. You know, I think Sarah's brilliant, and I thought, you know, you want some dirt. I thought it was a big mistake to kill her when they killed her. I thought they could have let her be for a while, but I thought that the way that Andy and Chandler and everybody, but the way that Andy and Chandler played her death was, you know, I thought that was the best part of the entire series. That was my favorite. I thought that was some of the best work I've ever seen on TV. I really dug it. So.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling.